Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? We're at home and we are trying Christmas TikTok hacks with Audrey here, who will not leave me alone. As you could probably tell from the last TikTok craft video, it's sort of the same day, but she is
very needy.
Very needy. We love you, Audrey, but oh, you're such a pain in the tush.
So what are we doing today?
Today we are making a Christmas countdown calendar
Yeah, I guess it's
more
of a calendar, yeah.
So I wanted to make this back in November, but I couldn't get the time together, so we're a couple of days late. But this is stuff, all you need is stuff from the dollar store. So what we got, get down, okay. We got the thing that we used to wrap yarn around last time. This is what it was actually used for. We got some wooden numbers. We got this sign. We got a snowman head sign. 2 Rubik's Cubes and some paint.
What color paint?
It's red.
Oh, just red?
Right now. I need black paint too.
Okay.
So I got black paint.
Okay.
Okay. So let's get started.
All right.
First, what we're going to do, and I already did this part, is we're going to peel, Audrey, we're going to peel this part off. And then I'm going to cut out the letters. So we'll put that to the side. And what I need to do is paint this whole thing red.
All right.
Okay, so we're going to let this dry, and it's going to need 2 coats because you can still see the snowman coming through. So while that's drying, I'm going to cut out these Let It Snow letters because we want to keep these. Okay, so I cut out the letters, and with the O and the E, I had to use the X-Acto knife, and it's kind of dull, and I'm not very good at it, but...
and you got paint on the table.
And glitter everywhere.
Good thing it's acrylic paint, so
that'll come right off in the water. All right, so we have to do another coat on our sign, and we are going to have to paint our Rubik's Cubes. I believe we're also going to paint those red.
Either red or white. Were they white with red letters?
Doesn't matter.
Or
but
they're numbers, or it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. I'm just looking to see what I got.
All right.
We can also make them black with red numbers too.
That's true.
I think I'm going to do that black because these are kind of shiny.
Okay.
Although I think I can pull these stickers off.
Yeah.
Right. So let's do an extra coat
on the sign.
On the sign.
All right.
Okay, so we got our sign painted.
Now we gotta let that dry for another little bit, right?
Yeah, we got some errands to run, so we'll go ahead and
We'll break here and then come right back.
Right, and then I'm going to paint this red.
Will you do that now or when we come back?
I'll do that now.
Okay.
And then I'm off camera. I'm going to pull the stickers off of the...
There you go.
Alright, so we painted this and we're going to let that dry. And we got to paint our wooden numbers. We don't have to do that right now. We can, or...
Oh, we'll paint those when we get back. Because we still haven't decided what color we really want on them.
Black. No. Red.
Okay.
We're going to paint them red because I'm painting these black.
Okay. Alright, so let's take a break because we got to run an errand.
Right. Okay, so I painted the numbers. For the 1 cube, you are going to need, give me a second. Oops. You're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and cube 2, you're going to need 0, 1, 2, 7, 8, 9.
Alright.
Now, Matt has removed the stickers from this, but I'm just going to give it a nice, just one little coat of white paint. Alright, so we're going to let those dry. Let our numbers dry, let our signs dry. And then we will put them all together.
Okay. Beck, so what are we doing here?
Okay, I'm just placing the letters.
Okay, I guess Kevin decided he needed to chase a cat through the house.
I'm putting the letters back on so I know where to glue them. So
Okay.
we can glue them back on.
So we painted this and now it's dry. And then so
Right.
we're doing this and then we painted our cubes and now they're dry.
Do we want to let them know what your brilliant idea was after I had painted it?
Nope. She painted the one side of this and it had the snowman on it and the snowman kept bleeding through. So you know, it would have probably taken 4 or 5 coats of paint. So I turned it over and noticed that it was blank on the other side and I said, "Why didn't you just paint this side?"
Because she's smart, Alex. Smarty pants.
I'm not pants, I was people. All right. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Okay.
All right.
So I'll glue these
Okay.
back on. Okay, so now we got the let it snow. Maybe just a little devil do you right here.
All right.
Okay,
What next?
so now we're going to put the snowman on.
The snowman.
The snowman. And
Where's he go?
he is gonna go
Right there.
right like that. Of course,
Perfect. So what do? Just glue him on?
yeah, we're just gonna glue him on.
And now, what about that? Is that like a door hanger? Does that stay on?
It can.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut this off. But it also goes like that if you
okay.
don't want to.
Got it.
use it.
And then there's still a tag on there too.
Right there.
That's good to me.
Look at how cute he is. All right, so I think I'm gonna need the 6500 glue.
Ah, got it. So you're gonna put that as like a shelf.
Right there.
Okay.
Is that a good spot? You
Yeah.
can see the snowman.
Well, let me grab the 6500 glue for you. See. So, and then.
I'm just making sure it's a good size.
Okay.
65. Oh,
Okay.
I didn't mean to say 6500. I meant to say 6000.
Okay.
So we're gonna get a good.
Good beat on there.
Yeah. So these were like something similar to this was selling at Michael's for $30.
Well, we can add it all up. So there's $1.
Right.
$1. $1. $1.
And we had the paint
Yeah, and then the numbers were
$1.
$1. So there we go. Now I can just sit and dry.
Right. So now we are going to, that's going to dry. Is that on there good?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're going to take our painted Rubik's Cubes.
Okay, we can move this out of the way.
And we are going to take our numbers. We're going to glue our little numbers on
Okay.
that we painted. And we can hot glue these.
All your number blocks are done.
Yep.
That's awesome.
So now we just got to wait for our...
For this to dry, and that's going to take at least, well, 24 hours to cure.
Possibly, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So we'll come right back after all this dries. 24 hours for us.
Not
And
so much
second
for you.
Yeah.
Okay, so here it is, all finished. We got our little cubes here that you can change the date. And it's all set. We have, today is
Today's the
Fourth.
4th, so we have 21 days till Christmas.
so tomorrow it's night, so tomorrow will be 20, so we change that. And
Yeah.
you can either hang it up like that,
Yeah.
or you can put a black on the back
Yeah.
and stand it up.
And just kind of hindsight's 2020. When we were originally going to do this, that was supposed to be Santa's head, and that's why this was painted red, because it was supposed to be a suit. We should have painted it white
To make
because
this
he's a snowman, and then just paint the blocks red. But you can do it, however you want to do it.
But he's very cute still.
Yeah, and then so down below it says "Let it snow," right there, and then there's all of our blocks and everything. So there is yet another project
Another TikTok project.
in the bag, right there. Good job, Beck.
We got a couple more coming up.
Yep. We might do a couple of little cooking ones. We don't know.
Yeah.
So.
There's going to be something involving hot chocolates.
Ooh. Can't wait
Coming
for
up.
that one. All right.
And all right, so if you like what you see, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And if you, our P.O. box is also below. And if you need to send us anything, don't forget to stay safe, keep it safe, keeping it sexy. And we'll see you next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans? Bye. Happy holidays.